Hey everyone, if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Paul Vojchehoske and welcome to Nebraska Landlords YouTube channel, where my mission is simple and that's to enhance the landlord-tenant relationship. Hey, today's video is sponsored by that red subscribe button, so do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I don't care either way. Hit that red subscribe button, click on the notification bell and click all. That way every time I upload a new video, you're going to be notified of that new video. So I'm continuing my series here on legislative bills before the Nebraska legislature. Today I'm going to cover LB 268. Why am I doing this? Because you have a right to know. I did a video on why staying involved in the political process matters, whether these bills are dead or not. You have a right to know which senator is putting what bills forward. If you want to check out that video, I'll put a link right up here in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. So today, LB 268, State Senator McCollister, he is a Republican from Omaha, so that just goes to show you party doesn't matter when it comes to landlord-tenant issues whatsoever. So I have to give you a little historical context here for you to understand what this bill would do. Number one is it used to be before a landlord or one of their authorized representatives, such as a maintenance person, could enter a tenant's dwelling, they had to give a one-day notice and enter at reasonable times. Well, last year the law changed to the landlord had to give a 24-hour notice. The notice had to be in writing. The notice had to estimate the time that person would enter the property, and there had to be an indication of what the reason for entry was. So if you're going to do maintenance or you're going to show the property to a prospective new tenant, you had to indicate that on the written 24-hour notice. That is the law today. LB 268, if passed, would go one step further and would include not only all those things that I just described, but also would require the landlord to obtain the consent from at least one tenant living in the dwelling before anyone could enter. And if you did not get that permission, then you would have to go to court and get an injunction against your tenant so you could gain access to your property to do whatever it is that you needed to do. That would have substantially changed Nebraska Revised Statute 76-1423. Now, I've been told that at least for this legislative session that this LB 268 is dead. I don't know that to be the case. I only know that these landlord-tenant issues never die. Why this is important is you represent you in this industry. If you own rental property, the only one representing your interest is you. So whether this LB is dead or not, you need to reach out to your state senator and let them know that you're watching and let them know that you oppose this bill, or maybe you're for it. It doesn't matter. You need to communicate with your state senator. I'm going to put the PDF version of this down in the video description. I'm also going to put a link to the web page for all the state senators. I highly encourage you to reach out to your state senator and tell them your position on LB 268. And remember, don't ever let anybody tell you that these issues are dead. If it's got an LB number, it's not dead. All right, that's all I got. Thanks, everybody. See you in the next informative video.